So just admiring a light show. It's a lightning store, next city over, but it's coming this way. So I'm doing errands and shopping before the rain comes. It's coming and it's coming fast.